Got a reason to celebrate or just need a reason to treat yourself? We've got just the thing. It starts with a rich fudge and crunch crust, the kind that makes you forget forks exist. Then we stack it high with creamy vanilla soft serve, drizzle on gooey caramel, and just when you think it can't get better, we throw on a handful of Skor candy pieces for that perfect, crunchy, buttery bite and hit it with a chocolatey swirl. It's the ultimate dessert for small gatherings, birthday surprises, or random Tuesday nights. Serves up to 8 people, or just you, 8 times. And the best part? You can grab it now at 1711 Main Street North. But don't wait. This treat disappears fast. Only at Dairy Queen.